video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Minimap creator script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which you're going to install into FiveM server. The script will cost you around $30. You just need to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Then go to config.lua. So this is a configuration of the script over here. So this is a command to open the Minimap editor. These are some admin perms over here. These are some map styles which are already configured in the script. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's open the Minimap editor by typing /minimap. So this is a Minimap editor over here. Now from here you can change your map style. So if you're loading the map for the first time, then it will take some time. So there are two more different styles of map available. So I'll be editing this one over here. So we have some editing tools over here. So the first tool is going to be text tool. With the help of this tool, you can give a custom name of the street. So let's remove this name which is over here. For that, we have to use this tool which is heel brush. Select that tool. Then use it on the name. As you can see, the name has been removed. Take out the label, edit the positions. In the bottom section, we will get the properties for this text. So let's reduce the size. Change the street name. So I have changed to Zexus Street. From here, you can change the font style. And you can change the shadow color from here. From here, you can adjust the shadow blur. This is the option to edit the stroke width. And from here you can change the text color. And from here you can adjust the opacity, letter spacing, and you can transform the text styles from here. And this is for stroke color. So this is a section for layers over here. So we have already created a mask over here to hide the default name, as you can see. So if you click over here, the mask will move from its position. So to prevent that, we just need to click on this lock button. The second tool is to create a zone. So let's highlight this area for gang. For that, let's create a zone over here. We just need to double click over here. The zone has been created now. We can fill the color as we like. So with this tool, we can create a rectangle shape. And with the help of this option, we can create an icon on a particular area. By just clicking over there, we can change the color as well. Now with the help of this pencil tool, we can write anything on the map. We can also change the color as well. Now with the help of eraser tool, we can erase the customization from the map. As you can see, you can get them back by pressing Ctrl Z. Now with the help of this tool, we can create a mask on the map, as you can see. We can also edit this mask. And with the help of this tool, we can brush on the map. Now this is option for eyedropper to select a color. As you can see, I have already shown you this option which helps to remove name from the map. Just like this. These are some default presets over here. For the text, as you can see. So I'll be keeping it default for now. After everything is done, just click on save. And give it a name. So I'll be giving the name of test. So our customization has been saved now. Let's take a screenshot of this area. Open the map editor, then you can paste that image over here on the map directly, and you can place it wherever you like. So let's paste it over here. So to do the color correction, we just to click over here and it will automatically match the map. After everything is done, click on export. So it will take some time over here. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.